Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Google Calendar with others. Now, first to get this done, it's actually quite simple. What you're going to do is choose a calendar which you wish to share. Now, say for example, it's this one here. I'm going to go ahead and click that, settings and sharing, and then go ahead and click the shared with here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click add people, say for example, this particular email here. And I'm going to go ahead and click the permissions here in order to edit what that person will be able to see. So yeah, say for example, see all event details, make changes to the events, make changes and manage sharing. So yeah, depends. I'm gonna go ahead and just click or choose see all event details, click send. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one and we're gonna head over to the other calendar. All right, so this is the other calendar now, and as you can see, this is my calendar under this particular email. And yeah, in the others calendar or other calendars, you are able to see another one. All right, you see another email here or another calendar from that person we just shared earlier. And yeah, that's how easy it is to share Google Calendar with others.